A well-written logo design brief is what gets you started on the right track to creating a perfect logo for client's company. Before you begin, it's critical to understand the key components of a creative brief, as well as some useful design language to help you describe what they want. By the end of this guide, you will be able to write a logo briefs that will allow you to create the ideal logo for client's company. A logo design brief? What exactly is? A logo design brief is a document that contains all of the information required for a designer to create a logo for clients. It usually includes basic information about the company, the desired design style, the project timeline, and the budget. Make sure you're prepared to write each step. Provide information about the client's company. While it's tempting and enjoyable to step right into the visual aspects of a logo design brief, it's always better to begin with the why. In this instance, background information on clients and their company. You understand people, products, and industries, as well as how to select aesthetics that are compatible with these aspects. Express client's preferred logo style. Defining client's preferred logo format will save you and clients a significant amount of time during the design process. Feel free to suggest a couple of alternatives. Style of design. You can mention style in addition to logo type. Vintage, flat, minimal, and skeuomorphic are some logo design styles. Colors. A good designer will know exactly which colors are appropriate for client's business. Having said that, color suggestions are always welcome in a brief. Source of inspiration. Mood board. A mood board can be used for a variety of purposes. Include photos of nuanced color palettes, photos of logo applications in mind, photos of elements of other logos they like, or even a pre-existing logo client's business may have that they want to evolve. Establish a timetable and a budget. The design process is, process. While a Greek logo design can appear out of nowhere in a matter of hours, it frequently necessitates a period of experimentation and exploration. When it comes to logo design, the adage, "you get what you pay for," is usually true. While you may strike gold with a novice designer, paying experienced designers a reasonable fee for their time will yield consistent results. If you're not sure how much you should pay for a logo, subscribe our channel. We will tell you on next videos.